You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good evening. You're going to open your eyes? Okay, I'm going to show you somebody who has come to say good evening to you. I hope you like it. I got this idea from Shiva's dress, okay? See, it's a clown with the snow falling from the sky, and it comes to say, waving the hands, both the hands, and say good evening to you all. Are you able to see this? Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, you're not able to see? You're not able to see?
No, able to see, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So quickly we'll do a warm-up exercise. Yes, Shiva, that's the same. Sit down, please sit down. I think some people have joined after the prayer. UNSI has joined.
Hi, ma'am.
Adya has joined. Yeah, hi Adya. Good evening, Adya.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi UNSI. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, UNSI. Can you switch on your video so that I can see you?
Yes.
Hi Lakshita. Good evening, Lakshita. Yes.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
How is your baby brother?
Sleeping.
Okay, sleeping. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so everybody has muted. Okay, so we'll start our warm-up activity. So today, as I said, today is the last day of this week. We are going to sing happily. So what I will sing? If you're happy and you know it. Are you ready for singing with me? And you're going to do action with me, okay? So ma'am is going to sing. You're also going to sing with action. Okay, ready children? I am ready. Show me ready. If you're ready, show me thumbs up. Only then I'll get to know. Okay. What about Lakshita ji? You're not ready? Okay. So, Lisha, show me thumbs up, Lisha. We are going to sing happy and you know it rhyme. Yeah, thank you. Yes, Raman, thank you. Okay, ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Ready? If you're ready, then I'm going to start. I will not wait. You should be ready by now. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet like this. Yes, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Yes, if you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Okay, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Okay, if you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Jump up high. Right. Okay, if you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. Sachin, wave your hands. Yeah, okay. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around, turn around. Turn around. Very good. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Lakshita, turn around. Turn around, Lakshita. Lakshita, yes, turn around. Ah, yes. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around, Kaushik. Kaushik, turn around. Yes. Lakshita, turn around. Okay, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! Sai Chiran, why are you not doing? You don't like this rhyme? Okay. If you're happy and you know it, come and sit down. Sit in your place. If you're happy and you know it, come sit in your place. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, sit down. Okay, everybody sat down. Very good. Okay, we'll do the breathing exercise and then we'll start our class. Okay, ready? So what we'll do first, when ma'am said breathe in, you'll all sit straight. Keep your hands on the lap. Okay, if you want to do like this, do, or else keep it on the lap. Close your eyes. Only listen to ma'am instruction. No jumping, no laughing. Close your eyes, stay calm. Okay? When ma'am says breathe in, nicely breathe in. Your shoulder should go up. Okay? Like this. And then when ma'am says breathe out, your shoulder should come down. Okay? Ready? Sit straight now. Arjun, come on, Arjun. Close your legs properly. Yes. Hands on the lap. Yes, hi Gautam, come join. We are going to do yoga exercise. Come, Arjun.
Okay.
Close your legs, close your eyes. Gautam, come. Okay, close your eyes, Gautam. Yes. Sai Chiran, come on, Sai Chiran. Close your eyes, Sai Chiran. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly breathe out, okay? Breathe in slowly. Jai Krish, come on, Jai Krish. Arjun, don't shake, Arjun. Breathe out, slowly breathe out. Come on, close your eyes, Lakshraj. Close your mouth and eyes. Yes, last time. Close your eyes, everyone. Sai Charan, close your eyes. I'm watching you. Breathe in. Breathe out slowly. Don't open your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Open your eyes now. Open your eyes slowly. Open your eyes. Okay. So quickly we are going to mark attendance. Are you all active now? Anybody feeling sleepy, tired, lazy? Lazy goosey? No? Okay. So we'll start with Adya. Okay. Arav. Arav. Akshat. I want to hear only one answer at a time. Yes, Akshat said. Okay, Arjun. Dayanand. Others, please stay on mute. Except Dayanand. Others, please stay on mute. Okay, thank you, Dayanand. I heard that, Dayanand. Gautam.
Here I am.
Very good, Gautam. Grithvik.
Here I am.
Jai Krish.
Here I am.
Kaushik.
Here I am.
Very good. Kavin.
Here I am.
Very good. Good evening, Kavin. I just happened to see you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Kavin. Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan, have you joined us today? No. Okay. Lakshita ji. Okay, Kumara Guruparan, you are there. No. Lakshita ji, okay. Lakshraj.
Here I am.
Lakshita, yes. Lisha. Satvik.
Here I am.
Very good. Nivin Surya.
Here I am.
Roshan.
Here I am.
Mahaswin.
Here I am, ma'am.
Ryan Roberts. Ryan, are you here? No, I don't think so. Hi, Kiran.
Here I am.
Izan. Shiva.
Here I am.
Shravan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Varnika.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Yuvan Sai. Okay. So thank you, children, for giving the attendance. Yeah, Maswin. Maswin,
Let's
tell me.
go. Let's go.
Restroom, go and come. Okay. So, children, today what we have planned is what Arakshat? Don't unmute Arakshat. Okay. So, what we have planned is first quickly we learn a skip counting of 5. We'll revise skip counting of 10, which we learned yesterday. We'll complete the worksheet and then we'll start this bus. Okay. First, we'll complete our worksheet and then we'll have ample time to complete this. Okay. So, meanwhile, I hope everybody will be ready with their buses. I'm ready with my bus. I'm yet to color black here and stick over here. Windows like that. Some people have already done it. Some people who didn't do, they are going to do with me. Okay. So, quickly we'll revise what we learned yesterday. Okay. So, what did we learn yesterday? We learned skip counting of 10. Right? Now, hands like this. Hands like this. Okay. 10. 10. Open your mouth and say along with ma'am. Okay, Radha ma'am. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. Remember, we saw yesterday what I told you, the clue. If you don't know what you should do, you should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then add 0 at the end. Okay. So I'm going to quickly show you a picture. The same picture which we saw yesterday and then we are going to go learn skip counting of 5. Arav, Akshat, if you're touching each other, keep those whatever your paper cuttings down. Don't have anything in the hand. When I say take your worksheet or pencil, you can take. Otherwise, nothing should be in your hand. No toys, no nothing. Okay. So remember we saw yesterday skip counting of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is what we learned yesterday and we wrote in our worksheet. So today we are going to learn skip counting of 5. Okay, what are we going to learn? Skip counting. Skip counting of 5 is what we are going to learn. You know how do we remember that? So this is if you have scale, you will see these numbers in the scale. Okay, this is called number line. Okay, when we do skip counting, what will happen? I'm going to have a circle here. Okay, what will happen? The circle is going to move from one place to another. Okay, so first I'm going to start from 0. Okay, so what I'm going to do? I'm going to jump 5 steps. How many steps I'm going to jump? 5 steps. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So my circle is going to come there. See, I'm going to move my circle there. So my circle has come to 5. So my circle is now in number 5. Okay. From 5, I wanted to go again 5 steps. I'm going to go 5 steps. So from 5, see now I reached 5. Now I reached which number? I went 5, right? So I gone to 5. Now I'm going to go to I'm going 5 steps again. So I'm going to take some other different color. I'm going to go 5 steps. See? 1, 2. Who's that? Not listening.
That is this page.
I told you, no, we are not going to write worksheet now. When we write worksheet, I'll tell you what page you should take, okay? This is not in worksheet, okay? I'll tell you which page we should take when we write it. Okay. So we're getting back here. I hopped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the number here, Akshat? Where I have come now?
10.
10. Yes. Now I came first. From 0, I went 5 steps and I came to 5. Then from 5, I jumped 5 steps and came to 10. Okay. Again, I'm going to jump 5 steps. Okay. Who is going to help me? I'm going to call Yuvansa is going to help me. Help me, Yuvansa. I'm going to jump 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
I jumped 5 steps. So which number I am in now?
5. 50.
Very good. 1, 5, 15. Okay. Now Arjun is going to help me. Arjun, I'm going to jump 5 steps. You're going to help me. Count with me. 1.
Count.
1, 2,
இங்க பாரு இங்க பாத்துக்கோ
2, 3, 4, 5. I jumped 5 steps. So what is the number I am in now? What is this number?
20 மா 20 என்னது
0.
20.
Very good, Arjun. 20, 20. Okay. Now I'm going to call Adya. Adya is going to help me now. Are ready, Adya? We'll jump 5 steps.
Yes.
Okay. Ready? Yes. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
I jumped 5 steps.
25.
Yeah, now I came to 25. Very good. Myself and Adya jumped 5 steps. Okay. Now I'm going to call Sai Charan. Sai Charan, you're going to jump with me. Okay, ready? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
I jumped 5 steps. What's the number I am now?
30.
Yes, 30. So when we jump 5 steps, we come with skip counting of 5. Okay. So skip counting of 5 is 5. Okay, I'm going to call Kaushik. You're going to tell along with me. 5,
5,
10,
10,
15,
15,
20,
20,
25,
25,
30.
30.
Okay, so this is skip counting of 5. I'm going to show you one more picture. Thank you, Kaushik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to call Lisha. You're going to read with me, Lisha. Okay? The first line we are going to read, Lisha. 5,
5,
10,
10,
15,
15,
20.
20.
Okay. Lakshita ji, you're going to read with me next line. Lakshita ji, ready?
Read this.
25, 30.
30,
You know this number?
40.
Very good, Lakshita. Okay, very good. Okay, and then Dayanand is going to read me the next line. Dayanand, ready? Okay, come. 45,
45.
50,
50.
55,
55.
60.
60.
Yes. Next, who I'm going to call is Kavin is going to read with me. 65. Kavin, are you ready, Kavin?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, come, Kavin. We'll read 65.
65.
Give me a minute. 70,
70.
75,
75.
80.
8.
Thank you. Shravan is going to read. Shravan, ready? Shravan, ready? Shravan, are you ready? Shravan, you're going to read with me. Can you unmute? Okay. 85,
85. 80.
90,
90.
95,
95.
100.
100.
Okay, this is skip counting of 5. Okay, so when we jump five numbers, that is skip counting of 5. If you see here, 5, 10, 15, 20. These are all skip counting of 5. So we are going to do that in the worksheet today. Okay, so please now, Lakshita, now only I'm going to say the worksheet we are going to take. Okay, give me a minute. I don't know what's hanging. Yeah, this is the worksheet we are going to do. Okay, Sai Charan, Lakshita, others, everybody. This is the worksheet we are going to do. It's SR D25MTWS01. Pratik, are you following me? The hand worksheet. You will have 5 in the hand. Check if you all have this worksheet on day 25. Sai Charan, check if you have. Yuvan Sai. If you have, just show me thumbs up. I'll understand.
Ma'am, what number is it?
It's day 25, D25. Today we are in day 25. You have that, Adya? Good, Adya. What about Shiva? You have the same one, Shiva? Okay. Thank you, Shiva. What about Lakshita? You took that worksheet, Lakshita? You good, Yuvansai? Thank you, Yuvansai. Yes, Shravan, Roshan, very good. Thank you so much for acknowledging. Yes, Lakshita ji. Lakshita, yes, did you take the worksheet?
What is the worksheet? Ma'am, this is the correct one I haven't taken.
Show me. Yes, that's right. The hand with 5. Yes, right. Lakshita, did you find the worksheet, Lakshita? Lakshita, yes. If you have found out, just show me thumbs up. Okay. So if you have found the worksheet, I think most of you have found. Ritvik, did you find it, Ritvik? Can you show me? Yes. Thank you, Ritvik. Yes. So write your name, children. Still, I see many of you are not writing your name in the worksheet. You have to write on your own. Write your name in the worksheet on your own. If anybody don't know, write your name. Let me know. Yuvansai, what happened? You got new worksheet. Start writing, Yuvansai. Write your name. And today's date is? Pratik, what is today? Yeah, 17. Seventeen, 7/2020. That is today's date. Try to write your name within that space that has been given in the worksheet. Then only it will look nice. See, try to fit in your name here. I'll try if I can write. Let me see. My name is little small, so few people are finding it difficult to write your name within this. Try practicing to fit in your name with this, okay? So that it look neat. If you write little closer, small, I think you can fit in. Try writing your name here, not at the top. Please avoid writing your names here, children. The worksheet will look neat if you write the name here and the date here. Okay, done everyone. Are you all with me? Wrote your name and date. Dayanand finished writing your name and date, Dayanand. Yes. Dayanand yawning, feeling sleepy. Yes, Dayanand.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Dayanand. Okay, who is that upside down? Arav Akshat, sit properly. Why are you kneeling down? Sit properly, yeah. Okay, so we are going to start now. Okay, let me call. Okay, Jayakrish is going to Jayakrish. Grutvik is going to help me for the first thing. Okay, first I'm going to call Jayakrish. Jayakrish, what is the first one for skip counting of 5?
5, ma'am.
5. Okay, after 5?
After 5.
10.
After 5, 10.
10, yes. Then after 10?
After 10.
Look at the worksheet. I'm writing.
15.
No, look. Yeah, 15. 5. Say along with me, Grutik. 5.
5.
10.
10.
10.
15.
Yeah. Jayakrish, what is the next one, Jayakrish?
20, ma'am.
20. After 20, skip counting of 5. What is after 20?
After 20, 25, ma'am.
Thank you, Jayakrish. Can you write this in a rough note? Okay, Grutvik is going to help me now. Okay, Grutvik? Ready, Grutvik?
Okay. Yeah, ready.
Ready, okay. So the first one of skip counting is what is the Grutvik?
2, 5.
5. After 5, what did we write here? After 5?
10.
10. So shall I write 10 here?
10 here, yes.
Is this correct, Grutvik?
No.
No. Yes, Grutvik is awake. He's going to help me. So how should I write, Grutvik? Help me, please.
10.
How do I write 10?
No, 10.
1.
0, 10.
Very good. Thank you, Grutvik. Okay. Then I'm going to call Kumara Gurman is not here. Lakshraj is going to help me with next one. Lakshraj, what is after 10?
15.
Very good. How do I write 15, Lakshraj?
1, 5.
Very good. 1, 5, 15. Thank you, Lakshraj. Lakshraj has taught me 15. Okay, Grutvik taught me 10. So 5, 10, 15. Very good. Then I'm going to call Satvik. Satvik, what is after 15, Satvik?
20.
20. 2, 0, 20.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Okay, good. If you have finished, stay there. Please don't unmute. Children, you're good children. I told you, no, if you're finished, let others write. Don't unmute and say finished, finished. Lakshita, please say unmute, Lakshita. Okay, Lakshraj help me. Now I'm going to call Nivin Surya. What is after 20, Nivin Surya? 20?
25.
25. Thank you, Nivin Surya. Okay. Okay, Roshan, you're going to write. You are going to say with me 5. Roshan. 5. 10. 10. 15. 20. 25. Very good. Varnika, did you write this in the rough note, Varnika? Varnika. Varnika, are you there? Varnika. Yeah, Varnika. So you're going to say with me. Read it from the notebook. What you have written there? 5. Read it. 5.
5, 10,
1,
5,
1, 5 is what? 15.
15, 2,
Ah.
0, 20.
Very good. Then 2, 5.
2, 5, 25.
Very good. Have you written all those things? 5 to 25.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So all wrote in the worksheet and in the rough note. Those who are writing the rough note finished. Okay. I'll check your worksheets and rough note later on. Okay. We'll quickly complete. Thank you, Shravan. Okay. So we have been doing cursive letters, right? We are backlogging. We didn't finish G. Yesterday, did you all finish G at home?
Ma'am, look, ma'am.
Thank you, yeah, Jayakrish. Good, Jayakrish. I'll see it later. Okay. If we
Yes,
see all the thank you. If we see all the notebooks, we'll be lagging with time completing the sheets. Okay. Send me the sheets. I'll definitely see that and acknowledge that. Okay. So we haven't completed H. Have you all completed G? Let me know if anybody has not completed G. Raise your hand. Anybody who has not completed G? No. Who has not completed G? No, who has not completed? Not completed, raise your hand. Everybody completed G? Everybody? Yes. Okay. So we are going to start with H today. H. Okay. Yes, everybody is ready now. Okay. Arjun, can you give me some words with H? H.
Horse.
Horse. Horse. Yes. Horse. Okay. Arav, give me some words with H.
Hard.
Slowly. If you tell slowly, only everybody will listen.
Hard.
Hard.
H for hand. H for horse.
Okay. Lakshita S. Give me some words with H. Lakshita S. Heart. Okay.
Horse.
Horse. Very good. Who else knows something with H? Raise your hand. I'll call you. You just raise your hand. Yes, Sai Charan, tell me. I'll call each one of you. Wait. Yes, Sai Charan, tell me with H.
Hen.
Hand. Okay. Varnika, tell me what is with H.
Hen.
Okay, hand. Roshan, what is that, Roshan? I want you to raise a hand, not like this. Okay, who else knows? Raise your hand. Yes, sir. Lakshraj, tell me with H.
Hen and hair.
Okay, very good. Hand and here. Yes, Kavin, tell me with H.
Helmet horse. Helmet.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Shravan, tell me. Shravan.
Happy.
Okay, very good. Yes. Yes, Arav. Arav told me. Akshat, tell me what is with H. Okay, very good. Yes, Roshan, tell me. Okay. Okay, hooray. Very good. Perfect. Hooray. Yes.
Hamster.
Okay, very good. Yes, Lisha, tell me, Lisha. Okay, what? Yes. What about Lakshita ji? Tell me.
Aki.
Oh, very good. Hockey. Good. I'm getting different words. Yes. What about Adya? Tell me, Adya.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Very good. Okay. Mahaswin, tell me, Mahaswin.
Hey. Hey.
Okay. I'm not able to hear you, Mahaswin. Can you repeat the word clearly?
Hey.
Head. Okay.
Hair, ma'am, he is telling.
Hey.
Okay.
Hair.
Hail. Okay. Hail. Okay. Very good. Gautam. Very good, Mahaswin. Different word. Gautam, tell me, Gautam. Ha ha.
Solid. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha.
Okay. Very good. Ha ha horse. Ha ha hat. Then.
Hippopotamus.
Ha ha hippopotamus.
Wow, that's a big word. Yeah. Ha ha hippopotamus. Good. Very good. Yes, Dayanand. Tell me, Dayanand. Ha ha.
House.
House. Very good. Yes. Lekshita, yes. Tell me something with H. Ha ha. Okay, she's on mute. Yeah, Nivin Surya, tell me with ha ha. Okay. Yeah, Shiva, tell me ha ha. Sorry, I didn't hear that. Sus.
Hat.
Hat. Very good. Yes. Okay. Ritvik, can you tell me?
Hand for hand. Hand for hand. Hand for house.
Very good.
For
Ha ha. House. Ha ha. Hand. Okay. Yuvansai, can you tell me ha ha? Yuvansai.
ha 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 ha.
Okay. Varnika, your chance is over. Everybody got a chance, right? Okay. Who else? Kaushik, did you get a chance, Kaushik? Ha ha.
Helicopter.
Wow, that's nice. Helicopter, yes. Okay. Yeah. So it's now everybody got a chance to say that with the H, right? Now it's ma'am's chance. Okay. Ha ha. I'm going to say ha ha house. I'm just going to rephrase what you all said. Ha ha house. Ha ha hat. Ha ha helicopter. Ha ha hands. Ha ha hippopotamus. Ha ha hail. Ha ha hooray. Ha ha heart. Ha ha hammer. Ha ha horse. Okay, and so many are there. Ha ha head. Ha ha hair. Then ha ha here with your ears, right? That here. There are so many things. Very ha ha he. Very good. So now are you ready to write H with me? Children, ready? Okay, can you take your worksheet day 24? I'll show you the worksheet. Don't worry. Wait, give me a moment. I'll open the worksheet and show you. Okay, we'll complete H quickly and we're going to do the house. Okay, I have opened the sheet. I'm going to share the screen. We are going to write H. Okay, get set. Ready with the worksheet? With a pencil, write your name, date. Here it goes. So this is the worksheet we are going to write today. H. H is simple. It's not difficult like the other ones like F and G. H is simple. We'll write it. Okay. Ready, children? Shall I start? First you listen, then you can write H. Okay. Just take the worksheet, open it, keep it ready. Yuvansai, keep the kerchief down. Keep the kerchief down, Yuvansai. Don't show your mouth like that. Keep that down. Okay. So you're going to first listen how ma'am is writing, and then you're going to take a pencil and write. Okay. Only if you see and listen, you will be able to write on your own. So I want all of you to write on your own. Okay. So whatever it is, you write on your own. No problem. Okay. So don't get hold of your parents' hand. Don't ask help from them. Okay. Ma'am is here to help you. If you have any questions, ask me. Okay. So all are going to write on their own. Okay, children. Ready? Here. Okay. So first one we are going to, this is cursive H. We saw H sounds words, no? This is H. Like that. If you keep your hands close to mouth like this.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Nivin Surya, tell me.
Mankani. Sampare. Tanni valla. Anna vaise
Okay, Nivin Surya, we are doing the worksheet. I'll hear your stories after. Okay, after the worksheet is over, you tell me what happened there. Okay, now we'll finish the worksheet. Okay, Nivin Surya.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yes. So I'm going to take out H. We are going to write H. Ha ha. So from the first blue line, slanting line. Slanting line first. And then 1 till the second blue line. Then one more 1 and then a small C. I'll write it big here so that you can see it clearly. So I'm going to start from here, slanting line, 1, one more 1 and then a small C, H. So normal H, how will you write? You will write like this. You will just write like this, no? In cursive, what we should do? We should give a slanting line, 1 more 1 and then a small C. Who is having any questions? Somebody is talking. Who is that talking? Nivin Surya, can you stay on mute? Nivin Surya, we are not able to see you either. Kaushik, come on, take out your pencil, write with me H. Kaushik, come on. Gautam, come on, start writing. Let's practice. Trace on the same H. What is there in the worksheet? Trace on the same thing. Quickly, we are going to finish H now. Write the first row tracing in the worksheet. Rest all we'll do later. Okay? So, ma'am is going to write. Let me see who is finishing first. Who is finishing first and neatly. I'm going to take a thicker pencil. Okay. So, slanting line. 1 more 1 standing line and then a small C like this curve. So H, say and write H, slanting line, 1 more 1, small curve like this, H, slanting line, standing line, standing line, small curve, H, slanting line, standing line, standing line, small curve, H, slanting line, 1 more 1, small curve, H. I finished 5 times. Let me see how many of them have finished. I finished first today. Don't unmute, please don't unmute. If you have finished, just raise your hand. I'll see who has finished. Kavin, are you writing, Kavin? Okay, Shiva is writing. I can see Dayanand is writing. Kaushik, sit properly. Write fast. Let me check others and come back. Very good, Mason is writing. Okay. Yes, Dayanand is writing. Lekshita, can I see you, Lekshita? Can you just show your face? I'm not able to see your face. Lekshita is. Shravan finished? Very good, Shravan. Good, you finished tracing. Okay, you can try writing the next line, okay? Let others complete. Yes, Roshan is writing.
Kaushik, ma'am.
Yes, Kaushik. I'm going to come to see you. Wait. Very good, Kaushik. Lift it, I'm sure. Up. Can you lift it?
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sai Charan, I'm coming, Sai Charan. Please don't unmute, Sai Charan. I'm coming each one line by line. If I miss the line, then I will miss somebody. Okay, I'll come line by line. I'm checking everyone and coming. Okay, I'll come back. Lakshraj is writing. I can see. Satvik is writing. Good. Shiva is writing sincerely. Very good, Shiva. He has finished tracing and started writing. Good, Shiva. Okay, then Yuvansa is writing without keeping pencil in the mouth. Very good, Yuvansa. Good job. High five. Yuvansa, high five, Yuvansa. I'm showing my hands. See? High five. Very good. Superb. You're writing without keeping a pencil in the mouth. Good job. Very good. When you come back to school, I'm going to give a big star for you. Jai Krish, video is off. Jai Krish. Ritvik is writing. Good. Adya is writing. Good. Yes, Sai Charan. Good. I'm coming to see you. Yes, Lisha. You want to ask something? You finished? Okay, that's what you're raising your hand. Good. I saw Kaushik. Yes, Sai Charan. I'm coming to you. Good, Sai Charan. I know you're very quick in writing. Very good, Sai Charan. Arjun. Yes. Come on, Arjun. Finish it fast, Arjun. Lakshita ji. Good. Arav Akshat. Good, Akshat. I can see that.
Also
Arav.
write 8 times.
Arav is writing. Okay, Arav, finish it and show me. We have written 5 times, then we'll move on to the next one. Shall we move on to the small letters? You all finished tracing the first line? Yes? Okay, I think, yeah, Gautam. Good, Gautam. So almost everybody has finished the first line. So we are going to move on to small h. Small h. Okay, how do you write small h? See here, the worksheet. They are starting from the second blue line. Go up, slanting line. Here also slanting line. Backward bend like F. How did we do for F? We put a straight line, no? Straight line and then a small mountain like this. Okay. So I'll write it here, a bigger screen. A slanting line from second blue line. Go up, up, up. Okay. Then bend, bend, put one, and then a small mountain edge. Okay, I repeat step by step. Please listen, children. Then only you will be able to write. Okay, then don't tell me it's difficult because it is easy if you listen. Okay, so please listen. First step is slanting line. Okay, then what do we do? Bend. See, I bend it. Then bend, and then what we should do? Put a straight line. See, if you put like this, no, you will not get H prop. You will write end up in writing like this. Okay, so that is not right. So when you put a slanting line, put a curve, ensure that you're putting one like this, and then touch the blue line like a mountain, this one. So I repeat, slanting line, backward bend, put straight line, one, and then a mountain like this, H. Okay, did you all see that? Now shall we start writing together? Yes, children. Show me high five so that I'll understand that you all understood what I said. Yes, Adya. Yes, Grithvik. Yes, Grithvik is giving me high five. Yuvansa is also giving me high five. Thank you. Yes, Shravan. Okay, shall we write together? Okay. I'm going to write. You're going to follow me. Slanting line. Let's see. From here, I'm going to start. I'm going to write 5 times. Slanting line. Touch the red line. Bend. Come down. One. Touch this blue line. And then like this. Okay. I repeat. Slanting line. Go touch the red line. Bend. Put one. And then a mountain like this. H. Slanting line. Touch the red line. Bend. Come. Touch the blue line and then H. Let me come back and see. Is anybody finding it difficult to write small h? Yes, I think Kaushik has written. Good, Kaushik. Good job. I like that, Kaushik. You come daily with an ID card and your kidsy hat. Very nice. Yes, Yuvansa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yuvansa, you're showing me the other way. Yeah.
Ma'am, write it
Okay.
2 again.
Write the small one. Sai Charan, you are going to show me.
Write it 2 again, ma'am.
Okay, I'll write and show. Slanting, see, I'll write here. Slanting line, go touch the red line. Okay, then bend, put 1. We wrote for F, no, like that same thing, put 1. Then trace in the same line like this. Okay, Sai Charan, understood? Okay, thank you. Anybody finding it difficult? Very good, Akshat or Arav. Akshat, good Akshat. Perfect. Yes, Jay. Okay. Good, Jay Krish. Looks perfect. Yes, Adya. Good, Adya. Yes, Lisha. Good, Lisha. Kritvik, you're finding it okay to write? Easy? Okay, good. I like this positivity, Kritvik. Always you say yes. Okay, then what about the small h? Okay, wonderful, Kritvik. Good. Yes. Dayanand, okay, Dayanand? No, I don't want to see you. I just wanted to check if you're okay in writing H. Okay, good, Dayanand. Just let me know if you find anything difficult. That's what I wanted to check. You keep writing. I don't want to disturb you. Yes, Lakshita ji. The small H. Okay. Okay, Lakshita. You can just unmute if you have anything, any difficulty or not able to write. Yes, Arav. Good, Arav. If you have any difficulty or issues, then unmute. Otherwise, you keep writing. I don't want to disturb you. Okay, I think. Gautam, you are okay in tracing, Gautam? Good, very good, Gautam. Super. Very good. Nice. Very good. Keep tracing. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Lakshraj, you found it easy, Lakshraj? H is easy? You don't have to show me. Just tell me it's easy. Okay. Or difficult. Okay, Lakshraj. Okay. Okay. How about H, Roshan? H is easy? Okay. Good, even Sai. What about small h? Yeah, good, very good. Finish it after the class. Okay, children. So I think most of you are. Yeah, Sai Charan. Good, Sai Charan. You understood now? Okay, very good. Okay, I think most of you have are okay with writing H. Okay, so if we those who have finished first line, you can start with the activity of this bus. Okay, I don't wanted to color it, so I just started it, but I thought I'll do it along with you, so I just stopped it. So I didn't color this wheels. So here we are going to color with black color, and then I'm going to stick the windows here. Okay, those who have finished the first line of H in your worksheet or rough note, you can start with this activity along with me. Shall we start now? Yes, those who have finished, you can write or you can look what others are doing. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing now. We're going to quickly do this activity, right, children? That's had. Okay. Okay, so ma'am is going to do. So ma'am has got this. I had yellow color, but I wanted to try with turmeric. So I just tried with turmeric. This is what it looks like. It is pretty much good without an yellow paint. It looks good, just that it's not even. So I'm going to color this with black now. Okay. Yes, Naveen Surya, you have some questions, Naveen Surya. Let me just give me a minute. Switch off the fan. Okay, so you're able to see my. I'll keep it on my lap. So I have my bus. I'm going to color the wheel. Okay, I don't want to color the whole thing black. So I'm just going to. So the wheels I've already marked it with a pencil. So I'm just tracing this like this. If anybody don't have this ready, no problem. On Saturday, Sunday, you can try this. Okay, please don't feel bad about it. Okay. Now I'm going to stick my windows. I have the plain paper, so I'm just going to stick my windows here. I've got 3 windows. So let me see if I can stick 3 or else I'll just stick with 2. Okay, I'm just applying gum. Okay. I have sticked my I just stuck, see what I've done so far. I just colored this black one. I just sticked 2 windows here and I'm just going to draw the line here. You all remember the picture? The picture I sent you, the bus picture. Let me open it and show you for reference. I saw somebody have done the exactly same way. It was really nice. Okay, but I just want it as an activity for the kids to know, like sticking and doing. Okay, so it need not be the actual replica of what we have. Okay, so let me open it and show you for those who don't have it right now. Okay. I'll just share it so that you can see that and do. Or I'll just show you once and then I'll just close it. Okay, just for reference. Okay, so this is what we have planned to do. Okay, so school bus. So you can write your name there, you can stick your photo there, or you can draw your face there. So whatever creativity you want to do, it's up to you. So let me do the exact replica of it and try writing my name there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw 2 lines there. So this is what I have done. Those who have done, I'll just click on each one and I'll see you. You can show your picture with your face down. Okay, see like this, so that in the video we are recording, we'll be able to see your face clearly with your picture, with your bus. Okay, let me write here my name, or I'll write a school bus. Okay, and I'm going to write as Kidsy bus. So I sticked 2 windows now. I already got this painted. So I wrote my name in this window and I wrote Kidsy bus here. Okay, it's up to you to creativity. You can stick pictures here. You can stick your photo here. You can draw your picture here, or you can write your name. Okay, I just left it simple like this. Okay, so I'm going to call one by one. quickly we'll see what all you have done. Even if you have not finished, no problem. Just show me till whatever you have finished. Okay. So I'm going to start from the first. I'll come back from the beginning. Okay. So who is this? I don't know. They have muted the video. Veeraputran Subramaniam. Can you please show your
Kavin.
video?
Kavin, ma'am.
Oh, Kavin, can you please show Kavin? Yes, Mahaswin. Show me, Mahaswin. I'm ready to see you. Up. Show like this. See? Like this. Yeah. Nice, Mahaswin. That's nice. You wrote your name. Good. Good, Gautam. It looks pretty much the same way. It was there in the picture. Very nice. You sticked it?
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
You colored it?
My dad helped me.
Your dad helped you. Did you color it?
Daddy. Yes.
Color? Okay. Nice, Gautam. Yes, Dayanand, can you lift it little bit up?
Thank
Dayanand?
you, ma'am.
Yeah, Dayanand. Very nice, Dayanand. Such a big buzz. Very nice. Yes, Lekshita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Dayanand. Nice. Okay, Lekshita is there. Shravan. Can you show me, Shravan, till what you have done? Kavin, I'll come back to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Shravan, you keep doing. I'll come to you last, okay? You keep doing slowly. No problem. We have time. You keep doing slowly. Yeah, Kavin, show me. Show me your bus, school bus. Yeah, nice, Kavin. Write your name, okay? Shravan, you do slowly. I'll come back to you. Yeah, Nivin Surya, your video is not clear, Nivin Surya. We don't see your picture, your video there. It's something different. Yeah, Roshan. Okay, Roshan is cooking.
Ma'am, I see me. See me.
Who
Where?
is saying see me? I'll come each one to you. Roshan is doing. Roshan, you do. I'll come to you. Yeah, Lakshraj. Can you show me, Lakshraj? Can you see that? If you're doing, I'll come later and see you. Wow, that's nice, Lakshraj. So many people are there in the bus. Very nice. Very nice. Satvik. Nice, Satvik. Very nice. You're drawing. Very good, Satvik. I want like this. Yes, this is creativity. You have to do on your own. You draw whatever you want. Okay, no problem. That is what is boys expect. Very nice, Satvik. Good. Okay, Shiva is doing. Yuvan Sai, can I see yours, Yuvan Sai? Yuvan Sai, can I see yours?
Ma'am, finished.
Nice, Yuvan Sai. I'll come each one of you and see. Okay, I'll come.
Why writing?
You finished, Shiva. Very good, Yuvan Sai. Good, Shiva. It looks pretty good. Very good. Jay Krish, come on, Jay Krish.
Go front and show. Never coming, Matri. I will stick and see.
Oh.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, look, ma'am.
video pause ஆயிருக்கு. Wait பண்ணு. Ma'am வருவாங்க.
No play. Ma'am, நம்பர் வந்துட்டாங்க டாமா வாங்கி பண்ணாங்க. அப்படியே வாங்கி வந்தாங்க. கடிக்கு.
மேமோட வீடியோ பாஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. இரு மேம் வருவாங்க. கால் மேம். மேம் வருது.
இந்த பந்து மட்டும் இருக்கு. Ma'am, you're there? I am. Yes, I asked.
Jaikir, show me yours. Hi, Jaikir, show me your school bus. Wow, it was nice. You done? You colored yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Thank you,
good.
ma'am.
Very
I'm
good.
back.
Yeah, Radha ma'am back. Carry on.
Thank you, Radha. Radha ma'am is looking now. She's here. Ma'am is here.
Adya, can you show me Adya?
Hi, Mama.
Yes, Adya. Good. Very good. Arav, Akshat, you finished? Nice, Adya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arav, Akshat, can you hear me? Can you show me Arav, Akshat?
Ma'am, see.
Nivin Surya, yeah, show me Nivin Surya. Nivin Surya, the video is not clear, dear. You send me the photo, okay? I'll check there. Yeah, Arav, Akshat, are you there? Yes, Shravan, you finished? Good. Can you just move towards your left-hand side? Nivin Surya, please stay on mute, Nivin Surya. Yeah, Shravan. Good, Shravan. Yes. Okay, and Roshan was doing, right? Roshan, did you finish, Roshan? Can I see yours?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Think
Ma'am.
Yes, Arav, Akshat. Show me. Arav.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Arav, Akshat, show me yours. Robin, where is your school bus, Robin? Yes, Arav and Akshat, they both all done.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, dear. Very good, Arav, Akshat. Very good. It's very
Hello.
nice.
Hello.
Hi.
Very nice, Arav Akshat. Such a big one you got. You sit on the right side. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Can you hear me, Uma ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Oh, audible. Okay. Okay, I think I didn't check, ma'am. I think my voice is breaking there. Is it?
No, audible only. Continue, Radha.
Okay, audible. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, Varnika, can you show me Varnika? I'm coming to you, Kaushik. I'll come to you. Nice, Varnika. Very nice. Such a big one. You're writing your name. Very good. Nice wheels. Good.
Radha, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Radha, ma'am. Radha, ma'am.
Yes, Lakshita, show me. Lakshita.
See, ma'am. Radha, ma'am, you're stuck.
Lakshita, lift up yours, ma. Lakshita, lift up. Yes, very good, Lakshita. You write in a school bus. You write in a school bus. Okay, Kaushik, show me yours. Kaushik, lift up yours, Kaushik. Yes, very nice, Kaushik. It's a blue color window, right? Okay, very good. Very good. Lakshita, please put on mute, ma. Next, Lakshita ji. Lakshita ji, show me your school bus. Lakshita, where is your school bus? Yes, it was very nice. You colored your bus? You colored? Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Very good, very good. You write your name in that school bus, take a snap, and send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. Very good. Next,
Hamari
where is
ma'am.
Arjun? Arjun, where is your school bus? Wow, who are all there in the bus, Arjun?
How is ma'am?
I'm back, Uma ma'am. I'm sorry about
How
that.
is it?
Yeah.
How
And
is
oh,
it?
I
continue with
think
Arjun, ma'am. Arjun is showing.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
continue.
Arjun, show me Arjun. Shiva, we saw your school bus. We'll see Arjun's and come back to you, okay? Nice, Arjun. Wow, so many people. 4 people are sitting in your bus. Who are those? 4 people, Arjun. Who are those?
This
5 people sitting.
girl, not a girl, not a girl, not a girl. One day.
Okay. Very nice. They have nice long hair, Arjun. It's very nice.
One button. Bling, bling.
Very, very good. So nice, Arjun. Show me like this, way. Show me like this. Very nice, Arjun. No, like this. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice, Arjun. I like this very much. You drew it on your own. That's why it's very nice. See Roshan. Otherwise, everybody have seen. Roshan, did I see yours, Roshan? Lakshraj, I saw, I think. Yeah, Lakshraj, I saw. Roshan, I didn't see. Roshan, can we show yours? Let me try to ping you. Roshan, yeah, Roshan. Very nice. Very nice, Roshan. So who are there in your bus? Who are there in your bus?
I am driving.
Okay, you are driving the bus. Very nice, Roshan. Okay, give a big round clap, children, all the children, for the activity you have done. So nice, so much creativity. You drew on your own, you sticked it, you colored it. Very good. Everybody give a big round of clap for all yourself and for your friends. Very good, children. I am so happy. So today, 2 days you have holiday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So enjoy your holidays. Stay safe. Okay. Don't watch too much TV. We have already saw the Pepper story, right? So stay at home. Happily play something nice. Draw. Okay. We'll meet you.
Ma'am,
The homework sheet. Yes. Who is that?
Ritvik, ma'am.
Yeah, Kritvik. Tell me, Kritvik.
Ma'am.
You can show me. I saw yours already. Show me once again. I'll see yours. Let me try to pin you. Give me a minute. I'm just finding your. Yeah, very nice, Kritvik. You
Thank
wrote,
you, ma'am.
you wrote something.
చూపించు కరెక్ట్ గా
Nice.